It is very painful to just lose all your fish in the pond. It is more painful even when the cause is avoidable. In other words, when you make avoidable mistakes that leads to the total wiping of your fish, it's very painful. In fact, one of our farmers just lost all his fish in the pond today. And he called me and he told me, and this could have been avoided. We agreed to share with you to learn because there's a saying that when a frog in front falls into a pit, others behind take caution. As a budding fish farmer, learning from those who are already in the industry will help you to grow. Mr. Paul is a fish farmer in Zebila, and he called me this morning and he told me what happened in his farm. And he lost 500 fish in his pond, which is very painful. He told me that one day some people came around and they were selling medicine. I am not going to mention the name of the company because I'm not ready to go to court now. So I don't want to tarnish someone's image. But I will mention the product's name so that you will be careful. The company is a popular one. They have staff who go around and sell their medicine. So they go to his place and they were selling that medicine. When they saw that he was having fish, they told him that that type of medicine is very good for fish and fish grow faster. And the name is Super Grow. Super Grow. So he purchased. Just this morning, he tried to test it to see what's going to happen. Unfortunately, the unfortunate happened. So he said he just collected small and dropped in the pond. And within a few minutes, the entire pond water turned to foam, like he poured liquid soap into the water. And he found that the fish were struggling. He quickly noticed that they were not okay. He decided to drain the water. So he opened the outlet for the water to go out. He was not even satisfied with the period that the water is using to go out. So he started to even scooping out the water manually, addition to the water going out, just to ensure that he changed the water faster to save the fish. By the time he drained the water, all the fish were gone. He stocked 500 juveniles 2 months ago. And by what he told me, out of the 500, there were only 23. And asked for whether that 23 they will also survive. He told me, so I asked him what I can share with. I said, well, yes, we shall share for others to learn. So what you have to note is that, yes, people always want market. We are not blaming Mr. Paul because if you blame the rat for stealing your meat, you must equally blame the meat for smelling. They need to sell so they can convince you. But once someone markets to you a product you need to give to your livestock, in this case, you're talking about fish, it is good to ask someone who is experienced before to see whether he has used it before. He called me to find out whether I've used it before, but it was too late. After he applied and he experienced this, I said, I've never used something like that. So he lost the fish. We have a platform, he's on that platform. Yes, he could just take a picture and send to the platform. The platform is full of experienced fish farmers, people who are even more experienced than us. So people can tell whether it is a good medicine or not. Anyway, we have learned our lesson, but in a hard way. You can learn it in a soft way by not going through the same. And I don't want to give you a lengthy video. However, I will provide you alternative way of treating your fish. I always tell my clients or fish farmers, in fact, bitter leaves is the best medicine for your fish. Look, it is natural, no chemicals. Look, bitter leaves, it doesn't even have overdose. So Any amount you apply, it is good. And even you as a man, you can even consume the bitter leaves. So the side effect, even if there are side effect of bitter leaves, it is very minimal as compared to the chemical. And even those who are trying to produce organic fish, then avoiding these chemicals, these super growths, these antibiotics, these probiotics is the best way to do. Use the natural way, such as the bitter leaves, the salt, moringa, and these things. And your fish will not only be healthy to grow, but also healthy for consumption. Thank you so much. My name is Abdulaziz Issa. I have a bachelor degree, but I'm a fish farmer and I help people to set up their farms. And I help people to provide purification system like the recycle aquaculture system. On Quarterless will provide you service. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, all we do in this channel to share fish farm tips based on our experience and research. And before I hand out, I am back to Lonto. If you remember, or if I watch our previous meeting videos 3 months ago, we stocked fish there in this pond. 3 months. When I came and saw the fish, I am very happy. We are going to sort them tomorrow. And just today, we brought another fish and we stocked in this one again. Tomorrow we'll sort this into there's a new concrete pond that we just constructed. We sort them in there and we just stock another fish. In fact, tilapia is loaded. If you plan your farm very well, you are going to enjoy it. Yeah, plan it. And personally, I like the environment. When I don't go there, I don't want to leave, but I have to leave to other work. So, Quarterless will help you set up your farm. If you have the farm running and you have water problem, water scarcity, will help you provide protection system and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're a complete beginner and you want to learn step by step how to start your fish farming journey, check out our free course. And the link is in the description. And if you want to learn how to make your own flotation and aeration system that will help you in saving water, then consider enrolling in our course to learn. The link is in the description. DIY, just like cotton aquaculture system. Thank you. You see, so they were not aware that there's feet on it. Very active. This is
so this one, this one half is coming. The other side will come.